Today we're going to try and pop a popcorn kernel with a hair dryer. Now, we have Pop Secret popcorn where the kernel came from.
It is premium popcorn, yes. And this is just in case my fingers get too hot while I'm trying to hold it in place. This is water, like regular water. And this is a straw. Yep, a straw.
What are we going to do with the straw?
Oh, just in case it gets too hot. One moment. Where the oh, here it is. Okay, forget the straw.
Throw this? Okay.
Okay, on to phase 1. Holding the popcorn in place.
Now, you turn on the hair dryer. You point it at the popcorn kernel.
Phase, oh, maybe since my fingers are wet, it won't hurt as bad. Phase 2.
I think it'll hurt more.
Think about. Okay, I think we need a new idea how to hold it. Oh no, where did the, oh, it's next to your dog.
Okay.
Okay.
How about gloves? Oh, I have an idea.
That was pretty hot. Well, that didn't really work out too well.
Okay, I have a glove. A glove to put on your hand.
Alrighty.
Maybe this will work better.
Thumb. Fingers. Slide.
Give her a round of applause. Okay,
Big. Okay.
hold the popcorn, turn on the hair dryer. Is it working?
Sort of.
If you're not careful, the glove may catch on fire.
Oh, at least we still have the kernel. Okay.
Has anything happened to it?
Not yet.
Wait, I think it might have popped a little more.
Yes!
Hold
This
it.
is working. This is how the cavemen did it. It's like roasted a marshmallow.
Except for they don't have a hair dryer.
Alright, do you have a piece of gum? You could stick it in the gum. Oh! Do you? Where's the gum? I have an idea.
Mom, can I just take one of the, can I have a piece of bubble gum?
Oh, and then use. Okay. Well, now we're going to use double bubble gum. Alrighty. Ew.
Okay, we're sticking the piece of kernel to the gum. You want to flatten the gum.
Not really.
It was in your mouth.
Use the straw.
Okay.
You could have used the straw.
Alright, now, to make sure it stays in place. Oh, okay, ready?
Okay. Ready?
You blew it.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
You ready?
Yes,
I don't know. We're gonna find out. You're drinking it? Ew. Bro. Okay, this isn't working.
Alright, on to phase 3. Stop. Make sure. Oh, we can make a little thing on it.
Okay, we're gonna blow.
You can start it. I was gonna
Gonna blow one, okay. And now we're just gonna keep blowing. But this is gonna get boring. So we're gonna keep blowing and then
set, go.
it popped! Oh my gosh! Thank you for watching us pop popcorn. And we hope you learned a valuable lesson today.
And that lesson is
Uh,
never try.
Keep trying to achieve your goal.
and microwaves are the way of the past.
Yes, now it's
It's all
hair
blow dryers.
dryers.
You do your hair and then pop a popcorn.
Yeah. Bye.
Action.